All right, after I did my work, I just moved the image away because I'm going to import another image with the contour line. So insert, image, contour lines, say open. And I'm going to stick it this time all the way at the bottom, if I may. All right. So now I have to find a way to find an element here that I can stick into my contour line and scale it. So I'm going to get this line, which is an easy line to identify. Stick it over here and scale it. Watch the way I will work with that. So first clean this line up. Alrighty. So now I'm going to copy this line from that junction. It's going to move it exactly the same slope, the same way. And I'm going to get it as close as possible right in here. And I'm going to place it right in this junction. Alrighty. It's slightly off in terms of the angle. It's not terribly bad. Now I'm going to make scale the whole image. I'm going to scale the image, pick it up, and I'm going to go with the line from here to here. I'm going to keep on going to be all the way this distance. So rather than writing a distance, I'm going to do that. And now I should be ready and done. Now what I'm going to do is do the same thing and actually take this image from that junction and place it over here. So I'm going to pick the image, move it from this junction and place it right over here, and voila, it does it. So I am ready. You can actually see there's just minor amount of differentiation, enough for me to get the contour lines, and the contour lines are not very accurate anyway. So I'm ready to draw my contour lines, and I'll create different line hierarchy by simply going to manage and manage, additional setting, line style. I already have created the contour lines, right? I have already created the existing contour line, I'm just going to create another type of it and continue to work and draw the contour lines.